I love how rice is super versatile and there are different ways to cook rice with different outcomes. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to cook yellow basmati rice, which is going to turn out fluffy, very flavorful with a very vibrant yellow color, which is quite catchy, well seasoned, and it's going to be a perfect side dish for you to try out. So grab the ingredients and let's get cooking. You're going to soak 1 cup of rice for 10 to 15 minutes ready for the recipe, and make sure you get some good quality rice for the perfect outcome. Mine is ready, and also I've prepped up some garlic, coriander. We have some onion powder, turmeric, black pepper, and onion powder, cooking oil, and salt. You're going to place a pan over medium flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in your garlic. Cook the garlic for 30 seconds so that you can cook the raw flavor and make the garlic very flavorful. And when the color is perfect, you're going to add in half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and some black pepper. Stir in, then cook for around 30 seconds so that the spices can get flavorful. When ready, you're going to drain your rice and add in the pan. Using your spatula, you're going to carefully stir your rice because it's very delicate from soaking. You don't want the rice to break into small pieces. And for the recipe, I'm using long grain basmati rice. Toast your rice for around 1 minute, and as it's toasting, I'm going to add in some salt for seasoning. The fresh garlic is going to add in lots of flavor to the yellow rice, and also the turmeric is going to add in a very nice yellow, vibrant color. The garlic powder, onion powder is going to make the rice very flavorful and delicious. So don't forget to add in some salt for that perfect seasoning. When the rice is well toasted, you're going to be adding in water, chicken broth or beef broth. And for this recipe, because I'm cooking 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. That is the perfect ratio for the perfect outcome. You're going to stir in the rice, wait for around a minute so that the water can come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt to fully season the rice. So the cooking time for the rice is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes for the water to fully evaporate. Then you're going to cover and simmer for 5 minutes so that the rice can perfectly cook. When your rice is ready, this is how it's going to be looking. So you're going to sprinkle lots of coriander. Use a fork and fluff up your rice and just look at that outcome. This is how my yellow rice has turned out. As you can see, my plate is very colorful because we have a very nice, vibrant yellow color. Also, the coriander has added in some contrast, that is a greenish contrast to the rice, which makes it look absolutely delicious. The flavor is amazing. It's 100% there. It's well seasoned. The rice is fluffy, just the perfect outcome that I was looking for, which means that you have to try out this recipe because it needs very basic spices and also basic ingredients like a good quality